The Indian American community in Islin celebrated India's 78th Independence Day with a vibrant event at Oak Tree Road organized by the Indo-American Cultural Society of USA Incorporated in partnership with Man-Making Group and Oak Tree Islin Presbyterian Church. Distinguished guests including Assembly Speaker Craig Coughlin, Council Brigendra Kumar, Congressman Frank Pallone and other local officials attended the celebration. The program featured cultural performances, the hoisting of the Indian flag and patriotic songs, creating a festive and emotive atmosphere. The event concluded with a light lunch and reflections on the values of freedom, unity and the deep-rooted ties within the community with Indo-American Cultural Society President Pradeep Peter Kothari expressing, "God bless India and God bless America." Watch the highlights.
And thank you everyone from their busy schedule to find a time to celebrate this important 78 India's Independence Day. And we are very happy. For last many years we have been doing this, at least about 25 years. And I am glad part of my duty, I have been doing this event year after year with the help of a Man-Making Group and a church here, which is doing a lot of social and civic activity with the Senior Citizen Association, their benefit. And I take a moment to thank Betsy and all the elders and the trustees of the Board of Trustees of the formerly known as the First Presbyterian Church, now it's the Oak Tree Islin Presbyterian Church. And thank you, Betsy. Thank you and very much. Today we have gathered here to celebrate India's Independence Day, and I don't have to speak too much about the freedom struggle, the movement when Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi provided the leadership. He was a barrister, England returned, and had worked in South Africa also, and many world leaders have followed him for his leadership. He was a simple, down-to-earth personality, very determined personality. And on behalf of all gathered here and those who are not here, we want to thank Mahatma Gandhi ji and all the leadership, millions of people who really continue to demand independence for our freedom struggle. And I am so glad we were waiting for our congressman and finally just made in time. So I'm glad at least. Thank you. So because our Speaker of the House, Mr. Coughlin, has also a couple of arrangement, appointment and engagement. And we know all our elected officials and our senator have Owen Handy also have another. Same way with our consulate office, CV Vijendra Kumar ji, also similar. Everybody is busy on this kind of day and trying to be guest at many events. And on behalf of our association, we appreciate they take out the time to come here, encourage us, inspire us, and I am so glad. I am so happy for we are able to continue this legacy for so many years.
And thank you, Peter, for doing this for so many years and being so supportive of me and others in the Indian American community. And all I can say on this occasion, and I've said it because this is one of several events we've had celebrating Indian Independence Day, is how valuable the contribution is that the Indian American community makes to our area, to our state, to our country. When we were in the India Day Parade a couple days ago, and as we were in Woodbridge, everybody was commenting about the economic vitality of the Indian community with all the businesses and everything that thrive and keep getting bigger. We go to all the cultural events, people are more conscious every day of Indian culture, Indian food, Indian movies, and certainly politics. You know, when I started out, there were no Indian members of Congress. Now I think we have 6. Peter will forgive me, but they're all Democrats. And the same thing at the state level and at the local level, as you see today, more Indian Americans getting involved in politics. And now he's really going to apologize because he's going to say, you know, we have an election coming up and you can elect an Indian president too, please. Please do so. But it just goes to show you how important the Indian American community is to this country. And the same is true internationally, right? You know, years ago, you know, the United States and India were not that close when I first started out, but now they're very close on every level, particularly on the defense level, where India is, you know, very much entwined with our defense, our national defense and security. So, as I always say, we have no place to go but up, and thank you for all your contributions. Thank you, Peter.
Just to build on what the Congressman said, we're so proud of the accomplishments that the Indian community has made to this country. As you celebrate your 78th year of independence, take note that in 2026 we'll be doing 250 years of our country now, and how great we have all made this country, and let us all make sure that we have another 250 years of independence and freedom. And thank you for what you do. Thank you for what you do. This is my first time as a senator here. That's why I didn't want to pill rank on the Speaker of the Assembly, but I do appreciate the opportunity. I consider a privilege to represent you at the state level. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's hear it for Peter Ghattari. Let's hear it for the board and everybody who put together today's event. What a terrific event. A wonderful celebration of Indian culture and Indian activity in the community. And I'm sorry we had to interrupt it. As owing to my Irish heritage, we hate to interrupt the party, and I feel like we did that a little bit, particularly when Peter made everybody sit down. So, but the truth of the matter is, we're all here for the same reason: to celebrate independence in India. And as Senator Henry has pointed out, there is a huge corollary between independence in the United States and independence in India. All of us struggling for our own identity and our ability to govern ourselves and to be free, and that's something we should cherish. So to all of the folks here, thanks for coming out to celebrate that. For 77 years of independence, congratulations on that. And as the Congressman pointed out, it is also an opportunity to celebrate the great contributions of the Indian people in the community. I live in Woodbridge. My district includes Saraville, South Amboy, Perth Amboy, and Carteret. And I don't know that there's a district in the state that has a larger Indian population or a more vibrant Indian culture and community, and who has made more contributions. So every day I see that the difference that you make, as everyone has pointed out, the influence that the Indian culture and the Indian population is having in this state is tremendous. So thank you for all that you do. Thank you for letting us participate and to join in this celebration. I love to come to heritage associations. It's a wonderful and I think uniquely American thing. All of us are fiercely proud of our heritage and fiercely proud of being American. So today we celebrate all of that, and thank you for letting me be a small part of it. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.
सबसे पहले एक बार जोर से बोलिए भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Very nice. So then again I have to say this thing to Peter Ghattari ji. What a wonderful man that we have in our community. He is amazing. His contribution to Indian community, I don't think he should get the Nobel Prize for this. His serving to the Indian community. I mean, I've been seeing him for many years. Christmas, Independence Day, Diwali, any event that you talk about, he put his sweat and blood and everything to the event. And I'm so glad to see we have all the dignitaries over here, congressmen and Speaker of the House and Senator over here, and from the representation from the Indian Consulate. Thank you very much, sir, for being in our Indian. We have Councilman Patil Saab also. So we Indian are so lucky. We are very lucky. We celebrate two Independence Day. July 4th we celebrate and August 15th we celebrate. We are so lucky, so thankful to this country, thankful to this nation that who give the liberty to Indians to succeed and to celebrate our Independence Day and our festival. Thank you very much. Thank you, Peter Kothari.
Thank you, Peter Bhai. Namaste and good afternoon. This is third decade that we are celebrating Independence Day with Peter Kothari ji. I'm not that old, but I have seen year over year what an amazing job he's doing. While we say that celebrate the Independence Day, this is not just a day, but this is a day that we must look back, the rich heritage, what our countrymen has done. When I say our, it's back home, what they have done to make us free, and not to forget our job and our responsibility in this country. As my good friend, Council President said, we are lucky to celebrate two Independence Day. Don't forget back home, your country, our country. Make sure that we pay tribute to all the soldiers. At the same time, we make sure that we do the enough contribution to this country, the country we adopted as our next, I would say, the Karma Bhumi, where we are doing all our duties and where we are living freely. Again, thank you, Peter Kothari ji, and thank you all Indian American community. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Peter. Many years ago, the businesses in Israel were closing. I've been in town for 50 years, and I remember when it was a vibrant community. But then the big box stores and the malls replaced all the small town community shopping areas, and business owners could no longer make a living. One by one, those empty stores were filled with Indian grocers, restaurants, jewelry stores, sari and sweet shops. So now we have a thriving community again. There have been other changes. The First Presbyterian Church of Islam was reincorporated and is now Oak Tree Islam Presbyterian Church. We do not have a pastor right now, but the mission of the church is the same: to show the love of Jesus Christ by supporting the community in which we live, by giving the man-making group a place to meet and do its great work. And that will not change. We have been partnering with you for over 25 years, and with the grace of God, we will continue for a long time to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Peter. Namaste. Happy Independence Day to you all. It's a privilege to be up here, and I just want to say on behalf of the 8th largest school district in the state of New Jersey, and on behalf of the Board of Education, we're so appreciative of the Indian American community, the values that you instill in your children and on the importance of education truly enrich our schools. We're truly pleased to have you. Keep up the good work. School starts in September 4. Once again, happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Daniel.
Well, thank you, Peter. By the way, happy birthday, India, 78 years. Thank you, India, for sending us great, hard-working people all over the world. As I travel many continents, many countries, especially in Europe, 30 years ago, they were the communism. Now they call themselves so-called democracy, some of them. India is the only country in the world. The United States is the one, only to my knowledge, that allows people like us, immigrants, most of us, to do what we do over here. Let our flag raise to next. Practice our religion, practice our independence. God bless you, America. But again, many question is, why is America first? Why? We are all immigrants, we are all newcomers. And be the only country, to my knowledge, maybe that's what we are first, 250 years, like Mr. Henry said before, independence, because we are the one they are not afraid to say, we are only nation under God. A lot of those people, they say religion, this and that, but they're afraid to admit it, what they believe and what they stand for. But again, I'm proud of you. India should be proud of you. You're not just represent your country. You're helping the world to see what the people can do, peaceful people, hardworking people, and how to succeed. And again, you will not just bring yourself back to those countries. You bring knowledge to see how the rest of the world is working. Again, happy birthday, India, 78 years. And you'll forget it, that's my age now. So anyway, so happy birthday and keep it going. And the whole world should be proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep bhai. On behalf of Allied Care and Steve Taylor, happy Independence Day to everybody. Thank you, Pradeep bhai, to giving this opportunity, event like this. इससे बड़ा सौभाग्य कहाँ होगा हमारा कि इस भारत के स्वतंत्र दिन के अवसर पे हमें स्पॉन्सर करने का मौका मिलता है। इससे बड़ा दिन, इससे बड़ा सौभाग्य नहीं हो सकता है, और वो भी यहाँ अमेरिका में। थैंक यू सो मच। वी आर होम केयर एजेंसी, वी प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज फॉर पीपल हु हैज़ मेडिकेड, जिसको और जो भी डिसेबल एंड जो ओल्डर पीपल होते हैं उनके लिए हम केयर टेकर घर पे भेजते हैं उनकी केयर करने के लिए। सो इफ़ एनीबडी, योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, नेबर, किसी को भी सर्विस चाहिए, प्लीज़ कॉल अस। मेरा फ़ोन नंबर इनके पास भी है, हमारे फ्लायर्स भी हैं यहाँ पे, मेरे बिजनेस कार्ड्स भी होंगे। एनी टाइम इफ़ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, योर नेबर्स और एनीबडी, सो कॉन्टैक्ट अस। वी आर Allied Care Home Care Agency. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pradeep bhai.
Thank you very much, Pradeep bhai. Happy Independence to each and every Indians around the globe. Today we are lucky to celebrate, Mr. Kaji said, two nations, our Karma Bhumi and Janma Bhumi. Pradeep bhai not even celebrate only national holidays, all religious holidays, but all kind of holidays. He always celebrate, and all the people happy to come to his program because it's very disciplinary program, and only I can see if you have any injustice in the community, he is the first person to help the people, and he is a real leader of the Indian people. He never afraid. He is a Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I will say. Thank you.
बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी भारत माता की दिल से दिल के एतबार का जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे किसी के आंसू मुस्कुराएंगे कभी तो फूल हर गली से बार किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार जीना इसी का नाम है जीना इसी का नाम है जीना इसी का नाम
नजर जो तेरे लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जग में न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहा कि मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहा कि मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहती है ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ के कोने में रंगोली सात रंग यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ के कोने में रंगोली सात रंग धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर ताने ऊपर है नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है ये सजीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला
बनगट पर बनहारन जब गगरी भर के आए मधुर मधुर तानों में कहीं बंसी कोई बजाए ये सुन लो कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा आपके कंधे चढ़ के जहाँ बच्चे देखे मेले मेलों में लटके तमाशे कुल्फी के चाट के ठेले कहीं मिलती मीठी बोली कहीं चूरन की है पुड़िया वो त्यागनी को मस्तक सजा लो स्वाहा हो शत्रु प्रचंड बचा लो
कौन हो तुम? हुक्का मुबरक नाउ सूबेदार तानाजी मालुसरे
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले हैं आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हैं जय हो जय हो रत्ती रत्ती सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन गाने मैंने उंगली जलाई है
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోడు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే కచ్చ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సుక్కులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నిమ్మలత సుక్కు మా పతేల పల్లె పందిరి రక్తరాజు గుండె గుంపిని నీ పక్క చూస్తే గుండెలోన తీరి తిరిగి
కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి ఆ కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता बुत बाड़ी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने है दिखदा परांदा नहीं दिखदा परांदा फिक्र तो लगदी लटीनो एक बारी दस दो जी निको शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे को की सिखा तेरे जे की लिखा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പട്ടണ് പട്ടണ് നിറപറയറ നിറയട്ടെ കതിര തന്താര പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പട്ടണ് പട്ടണ് നിറപറയറ നിറയട്ടെ കതിര തന്താര ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ നിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാതി തുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓരാന്ന് ഓരാന്ന് എത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതോണാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ നേരാന്നേ മുമ്പിൽ വന്നത് വരാന്നേ
മണ്ണാണ് മണ്ണാണ് പൊന്ന് വിളയണ മണ്ണാണ്